How to schedule an email in Gmail on PC. So here is a step-by-step guide to do so. First of all, go to your gmail.com and log into your Gmail account. Then all you have to do is tap on the compose button on the left sidebar to start a new email. Now all you have to do is write your email. Fill in the to, subject and messages fields as usual. Once you fill out this information, all you have to do is, instead of clicking on the send, click on the small downward arrow next to the send button. Then click on schedule send from the drop down menu. Then Gmail will show suggested times tomorrow morning, or click on pick date and time to select your custom date and time. Now all you have to do is schedule your date and time according to your preferences whenever you want to. You can also change your time by simply tapping on it and tap on the schedule send to confirm it. Now once done so, it will be done and your email will be scheduled, and that will be. Tap on the scheduled in the left hand side folder. Then you can simply view the email you have just scheduled. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.